Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we'll be doing a review of a tool that I use very frequently with my builds, and of course, it is Tamiya Panel Liner. And this product is amazing and works perfectly. And another alternative way of doing this is thinning down your enamel paint. I don't know the special ratio, but I saw people doing it, but you know, this is the way I prefer to do it. Just buy something that I know it's gonna work for sure, rather than just risking and experimenting by myself. So you want to shake up the bottle and mix the thinner and the paint very well, and then there is a very fine tip that's already attached on the bottle cap, and when you pick up the cap, you're gonna pick up some paint that's on the fine tip brush. And what you want to do is basically let the excess paint drip a little bit on the bottle, and you basically want to just think of just putting little dabs on little grooves in the example that I did here on the dashboard air vent. And this is another way of using the panel liner, is to stimulate oil stains on engine blocks or any other parts that you wish to stimulate the oil stain. It's a little different than putting panel lines. You just take a lot of, or a generous amount of paint that's on the paint tip or brush tip, then you basically just smear all over the part that you wish to stimulate the oil stain. Once you do that, you could just wait to dry, or you could wipe the excess with some Q-tips, and this really brings out the detail of the parts, and it will also help you to enhance the quality of the model. And I know that engine gets covered most of the time, but you know, it's just a personal satisfaction. So you basically do that and just wipe out with some Q-tips. On the muffler part, I put a bit too much, and I got some on my fingers and stuff, but don't worry about it. Just go over it with some Q-tip, and it should absorb all the excess thin paint, and you shouldn't have any issues with it. there were some lettering Porsche engraving on the air intake, so I basically did the same thing that I did to the engine block and applied it to the air intake, and it really made a big difference. It made the letters pop out more, and then it defined the lines a lot more bolder. And that's for this video. I hope this video helped you guys on how to use the panel liner / review, and here are some photos for you guys to see. And as always, thank you guys for watching and take care.